Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin. Today I'm gonna give you some tips on how to fix your credit. Most time when you get your credit report, it give you a summary of right. And this is two of them that be on your credit report for summary of right. You have the right to dispute incomplete or inaccurate information. Also, on your credit report when they send it to you, it said that a consumer reporting agency must correct or delete inaccurate, incomplete, or unverified information. So what I suggest you do, you don't have to worry about the inaccurate. You could do another thing. Incomplete. You could dispute incomplete. So for example, if you see ND or no data, or they put no data in your credit report, it's incomplete. So all you do, you write a dispute letter saying that, let's say it's payment history. Let's say you see a payment history, you see this date, ND or no data. Well, you can write on July 2019 is I disputed it because it's incomplete, show no date or say no data. Also, let's say if it's blank, let's say the date of last activity, you leave it blank, or they have the date the account open, there's nothing there, it's blank. So you can dispute date account open, incomplete, blank, nothing left over. So you don't always have to go for inaccurate. You don't also have to go for unverified. You can go for it's incomplete. They must tell you what's on your credit report. So one strategy I suggest you can do, you see anything missing, you see any no data on your credit report, anything missing, dispute incomplete. And that's one strategy you can do to get stuff out of your credit report. Have any questions, please let me know.